put. Well, what's the temperature at?
Temp is low. Doesn't.
No, that's the oil temp. No, it should be on the.
Temp.
They drove it around a little bit. All right. All right. All right. All right. She's warmed up. Give it to her. Give it to her. Give it to her. Go ahead. They told us, hey, I heard Dan, nobody else wants to work on this car, so can you guys lower it and put exhaust in it? We said yes.
Adjust coilovers.
Yes, we can. You want us to adjust the coilovers? We're gonna slam it. All right, so we just got back from SEMA. We drove this thing all the way there, all the way back. First road trip in the R33 GT-R, just to make sure it's good for you guys. But we gotta say, come look at this. What the hell is that?
I think one of the things we gotta do to this thing is it has one of the ugliest exhausts I've ever seen. It's pretty bad.
This is the ugliest exhaust I've ever seen.
It sounds like crap too.
That looks like, what is that?
It looks like someone smashed it in.
It looks like it's backwards. Yeah, it looks like it. It looks like it's backwards. This is where we find out that this is some super OG, crazy JDM spec exhaust, and we're dumb people for not knowing it.
Doesn't matter,
but
it's still ugly.
Sucks. So, we got trust, straight from GReddy. So we're gonna upgrade the exhaust system on this bad boy, make it sound good, but also, what is that? I fit my whole crock in there. Dan doesn't even slam his cars, and that's too high for Dan.
It is. I put mine to the tire.
Yeah, at least to the tire, exactly. So, I mean, it's got a long way down, but we're gonna find it.
Go to Hoonigan.com, CarCaneSupply.com, buy some stuff. You get 5 times entries to win this GT-R.
Yeah. All right.
Oh, excited? Excited.
Hey, Seth, can you rev this thing so like we can give the people a good reason why we're getting rid of this exhaust? Give her some beans, okay? Give it to her. Go ahead. All right. Yeah, so that doesn't embody RB26s, I'd say.
Well, the weird thing's me.
Hold on. Seth, what do you think about that?
I think it works. It's loud, but the new exhaust is gonna be better. And
You're a phony. Get out of here.
To me, the RB26 is arguably one of the best sounding motors in the world.
It's
I
a great.
absolutely
It's a
love it.
great one.
And driving this all the way back from Vegas, it has like a weird drone to it, and it doesn't have the RB sound that I like.
It sounds fat.
It sounds weird.
Yeah,
Something-
you know,
something
like
about it.
let's get it on the lift, pop that bad boy open.
It looks so much nicer. Oh my god, look at that thing. You run this over a railroad track?
Yeah, that's impressive.
How do they do it at this ride height?
Look at this flange. Just look at it.
We're gonna need new bolts. No.
That's so weird.
No, it was just the style. Pop this out. Yeah. These are not gonna come willingly. It's all kind of melted together, so put some PB on it, let it sit for a minute. Now it's all nice and warm. Thanks, Seth.
it's loud, but the new exhaust is gonna be better. And
Ladies and gentlemen, we are back with Black on Black on Black! Black Friday deals. We're bringing back our Black on Black collection. Things like Black on Black tees, Black on Black license plate frame snorkel jackets, Black on Black Eastern European tracksuits, and for orders of $50 or more, get your very own Hoonigan Mayhem Stash Can. Get this and more at Hoonigan.com while supplies last. Wow, it works.
Upgraded.
From the cat, keeping the cat. In the spray bottle?
There's has to be PV glass or somewhere.
They're not! Unless you have like a paintbrush or something. It's gonna work. Just eating away that crust. Let that soak a little while. Come right off.
Oh, where'd you find that?
Oh, that's on the employees.
Free Tanabe R33 GT-R sauce.
There's no blade left. It's gone.
Tower stand.
The torch really works. That thing just went right through. Watch yourself. Don't be underneath this. So now we're gonna
Probably a pretty good shot, huh? Both of us. One-man bandits.
I can't get this off either.
Soapy! Soapy!
Yeah, you can't even film that. That's my stop. That won't fit.
Right tool for the job, you know?
Hoonigan.com, carcanesupply.com, 5X entries. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 X entries to win this GT-R. Good luck, have fun.
Some lucky fan can have this.
Sounds so much better, it's crazy.
Yeah, I came in this morning, I was like, damn, what is
Oh, yeah, you
that?
heard us
Shit
revving.
box.
Much better. The car feels happy.
Would you want this?
I would want it.
Love that sound.
Maxed out the fronts, lowered the rear 2 inches. The exhaust sounds way better too. Yeah. First impressions on sound from the outside.
Way better. Way better. Quality parts.
Ooh,
Looks so much better.
looks so much better.
Way better rolling.
Yeah.
Way better rolling.
Woo! Yeah, so we lowered it about 2 inches, added a GReddy exhaust, sounds way better. Thanks for the help today.
Hey.
Appreciate you.
Hey.
Aesthetically though, I think we got
Aesthetically,
it. Yeah, looks good, sounds good. So it's a party mobile.
Definitely something I'd want.
Yeah.
It's still running. You can take it.
No one's watching.
Never look any different.
That's just proof you work harder than us.
This is how you always
Sheesh. You are homeless.
like me.
Yeah, I do want to be homeless like him.
You want to get free coffee like him.
You want to get free coffee? You gotta look homeless.
No.
Get on your